Tinkum, 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 salava, alava, alava.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey!
You remember?
Bro, I had now. It's like muscle memory.
Yeah. 50. 60. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we've got a visitor on our channel. This is my sister.
Hello.
Yes, and we're going to make 2 videos today.
Yeah.
So one will be on some play that we had growing up, in Nigeria, in the eastern part of Nigeria, the Igbo. It's an Igbo channel. And then the second one will be on growing up in the UK while knowing your culture. Do you want to say hi? Sorry.
Hello everyone. My name is June. I'm Oni's elder sister. As you can see, I'm gorgeous and pretty. Doing the thing. Yes.
Yes, happy for you.
Yeah. So I'm good. Thank you for inviting me to your channel.
Oh, lovely. So which of the plays do you remember?
I think you played more
Yeah.
than me.
Yeah, for sure, definitely.
Yeah. But I remember Tinkle Tinkle. Tinkum, 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 salava, alava, alava.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey!
You remember?
Bro, I had now. It's like muscle memory.
Yeah.
I remember, obviously, swell.
Yes.
Tempe, tempe. That was like your bread and butter.
Oh gosh, yeah. Tempe. That's it.
Hey!
That's it. 50. 60.
Jesus Christ. That was your bread and butter. That one, that love one. Can they say?
Yeah. Then you not go and clean the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I can't remember what we used to sing for that one.
What's the name of it?
Baye Baye. Which one is Baye Baye? Bro.
Oh God, I don't remember it.
I can't remember now.
Yeah,
but I know that love.
Later.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting. Okay. All right then. So
Baye Baye Baye. Bro, I can't remember it. Yeah. But I remember that love one. But I just can't remember what we used to sing.
God.
Yeah.
And I think of swell as well.
Yeah, it was. My favorite actually was that Jesus Christ. Yeah. Yeah. Again, like I said, I think you enjoyed playing more because you were more competitive. You had, I think for me, how I used to see you was like you were the leader of the pack. Yeah. So you were the one that was in control of the crew.
The game.
Compared to me, I was just a little bit more laid back. I think because again I was more musically inclined. Yeah. So that's probably why.
Okay.
What was it like growing up from your side?
I mean, obviously, it was lovely.
Did you see yourself as the leader of the crew?
No, definitely not. I know I love play, and I did a lot of play in the streets, especially barefoot
street girl.
Whenever I see people playing, I go to join in. Or when they come to call me, oh, do you want to play? I say, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
My God, videos the way swell now. Yeah. After from one to another.
It never ended.
Never ended. Even that who took my name the day that
bro.
My father's name.
Ego fashion dollar. Oh, my sister.
I didn't know what I was singing,
bro. As long as it was coming out.
Yeah.
Let's
do some of them for our people. The one. Oreo.
Okay.
Oreo.
Everybody knows Oreo now. Oreo. Onion jidere. Banishi. Abbiamo. Imere ọkụkọ ole?
Ise.
Nyenu moto.
Iwe onye oshi. That one is hide and seek, Kapi.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Okay, kick on. Yeah, that one, yeah, he be happy each other.
Yeah.
Look at Nama, she 1, 2, 3, boy, at the 3 wise men.
Normally.
Does that even make sense? It doesn't make sense. I've never seen the question that time.
I can't go like this. If they just tell you the one we go paying you, my God, you be so pissed off. Then you start looking for the one like hot more.
A link, give it.
I just remember that Anna and Nelu Jimmy, no, na helicopter Jimmy. Yeah, say helicopter Jimmy. You said Nelu bread, yeah. No,
butter my bread.
Butter my God, don't butter my bread. That is disgusting. Oh, that's disgusting. That is just nasty.
Okay, yeah.
Those are the ones I remember at Econ. I was really bad at it. No, I didn't like being told things like that, so I didn't quite enjoy it. But I liked Anakonyo Zone.
Yeah, again.
Normally. You're seeing the pain in the person's face.
Wow. Then we have Guam, which is like riddle.
Yeah.
Yeah, Guam.
Oh, coconut.
Okay, exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Guam. Okwu here, Ghana idea, something like that. I think it's gunshot thunder.
Gunshot, yeah.
Egbe.
But again, I can't remember. Oh gosh, it's been a long time.
Yeah, true. I can't remember all of it. Even I know there's one about something about the tongue. Some aqua non something like that. But it's the tongue that's never, it never dries. Yeah. Okay.
Then we have the skipping rope that we sing along to, and
that's you. Yeah. Again, that was majorly you. And she was always winning. That's the annoying part.
I'm so good at physical things.
She was always. I think that's also one of the reasons I didn't want to enter, because it's like she's already doing it. So now what's the point? And I mean, I'll be in the background, just cheerleader normally, or I'll just find something else to do. Yeah, but you always winning. Skipping rope was also your bag. Yeah, it was very much in your bag. Obi has a one leg.
Yeah, a one leg. Also, that's what we always say. Obi has a one leg.
Obi has a two leg.
Close your eyes. Count to 10.
Are you serious?
1, 2.
Wait, you close your eyes and be jumping.
Yeah. I count to 10. Then after that, you now jump out. Wow, you're still going. That's how you know you've done you've won.
Yeah. Clearly, I don't remember that. Clearly, I don't remember that. Oh, it reminds me of you and swing and jumping off swing.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
When you will start from slow, next thing you're seeing her high. I mean, I remember always seeing. I'll just be watching. What? Me, I'm scared of heights. You see her, you at the edge of the thing, the top, and you jump from there. I don't understand.
Living life.
You did mighty things.
No, I can't even use. So we have Onye the Lion Nazu. I'm sure most of you probably know it. We sing Onye the Lion Nazu. Is it Mama or my?
Bro, I used to say Mawani.
Okay. Yeah, you sit in a circle, then one person will be running around.
Yeah. That I like that one. Yeah. It wasn't competitive.
Yeah, it wasn't here. So when they now stop at your back, tap you. You now have to chase
the other person to continue. Get. And the idea was for the person not to take your space, or for you to catch the person before they take your space.
Yeah,
I think so.
Yeah. Catch them before they sit down. Yeah. What about
I like that one too, because it was more communal than competitive.
Yeah.
That one, everybody will put their, like, you stand like in an arch to form an arch with your hands, and then you start singing, and then people will be entering under. That's all I remember.
Yeah, that's all I remember. Just what repeat. Okay.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, careful. Yeah. Organ. Is that the one? Yeah. Organ.
Wait, I think we use slippers. I mean, we rip all our shoes.
You use it.
I'll be tapping. Okay.
Yeah. Careful.
You give them your shoe.
Yeah.
Until it comes back to you.
Until your shoe comes back to you. Yeah. Again, no competition.
Yeah,
My favorite.
Oh, yeah.
That was fun. I like that one. Alorum.
Alorum.
Oh. Alorum ulelu. Ulelu mada. Oh, who said it first? Okay. To. Magana kada. Adasi mundo. Biko kupuro nadaka, kupuro nadaka, very heady ma ado.
Then, did you do cultural dance in school, like nursery, primary school?
Yes, I remember particularly primary 4. I was one of the Atilogu dancers. Daddy said no, I should leave. I should not join now in the Ubundiowa. But I still loved to dance. I used to dance like on the streets and stuff, but again, it was more you than me, because you gonna do what you gonna do.
The consequences can come later.
Actually, yes, yeah, for me.
That's it. So when I was like, I'm going to gym, I'm happy and satisfied.
Actually, yeah.
Okay. So which of the songs do you remember that we danced to?
Oh, I always remember Kiri Kiri style. Biakele nande guna biano. Okolo. Arobia region. What is that? Yeah. What do I say? Yeah. But I mostly remember it because you would dance to it because you always Kiri Kiri style. And I also remember that school in front of our house.
Yeah. Okay. On the right time. You're talking about the school, yeah.
Yeah, the school in front of the house. Yeah. I loved it because I still always remember the image of those children, especially during graduation. That's when they always mostly do those things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So we have the curriculum style.
Yeah, and they. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Hey, with that thing you wear on the leg. Oh my God.
There were some songs we would sing as well, just chilling at home or under the moonlight, like who took my needle?
Danger.
Who took my needle?
Danger.
He's my fantastic needle.
Danger.
Ego $1,000.
Danger.
Ego $1,000.
Danger.
Oh, my brother.
Danger.
Oh, my sister.
Danger.
Oh,
Danger.
Oh,
come on. Danger. Oh, na him na phone. Yeah. Oh, my. Oh, my. If you want to man, ten, my yo, shake your bottom. That's all. That's it. No, enough for that part.
I put my short skirt into my pants like this.
The way she will fold all her dresses into her panties, like at the waist of the panties. And then her dress will now form like this fro at the end.
Tyler. That make me what? Make me.
No, Tyler was still learning work.
Still learning work. If you see, you can he already now.
Bro.
No.
Bro. He did things, though.
Yeah.
You could able.
Yeah.
Nah, you played.
Shoes.
You played. Wait, though. Do you used to wear slippers?
No.
It was tentos.
What am I? Okay, then we have tempe.
And that one was again your bread and butter.
There are different ways to play
tempe. Maybe that's the one that you can have like a group.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. 20. That's the way you play that. That's the way you play that love one. Is it not? And so as you're doing left or right.
Yeah.
Open and close.
Oh yeah.
Now by inside.
Oh my days.
Listen, those were good
This
times.
video won't stop if we keep going. Let me go 11 minutes already. Imagine this video will be like 20 minutes. Jesus. Then the last two ones, Tinkom and Achirimba.
Yeah.
Then we have the ones we do with our hands. Tinkom.
Baskalaba.
And
That's all.
Achirimba.
Is it Tinkom, Baskalaba? No.
No, Tinkom.
Tisalaba.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we have Achirimba.
Yeah.
Achirimba.
Bro, I don't remember it.
Yeah, that one. That's
oh yeah, I want to bro. Yeah, Daddy mo, Daddy. Nalowere, Daddy mo. Hey.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, then there's one that they used to do like that. Iwanke to go away. Iwanke, hey. Come on, hey.
Guys, I need to make this video here. Going down memory lane is just sweet. Bro,
I tell you.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah,
we appreciate you. Remember to share. See, anyone you know you had this memory with, or you want them to remember or see and understand, share this video. Let them watch and comment. If we get enough likes and comments, we will make a second part. You never know.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.